Biological Explanations of Social Behavior in Animals. Thursday, May 14, 2020. 8:27 p.m.
Biological Explanations of Social Behavior in Animals. Animal behavior, foraging. Foraging is the search for food in animals' environment. Can't survive or reproduce without it. Cost-benefit analysis associated with it going out to get food can take up time and energy. Goal is to get highest yield while expending least amount of energy. Includes looking for food, stalking prey. 2 main foraging strategies. 1. Solitary foraging and 2. Group foraging can potentially lead to competition when food is scarce, but also means they can take down larger prey and can benefit everyone. Foraging behavior is driven strongly by genetics, but can also be gained through learning, young copy adults. Mating behavior and inclusive fitness. Mating is the pairing of opposite-sex organisms for purpose of reproduction and propagation of genetic material. Includes active mating and the behaviors associated with it. Also events that occur after mating, like nest building. The superb bird of paradise does a complicated dance. Mating strategies. 1. Random mating, all equally likely to mate with each other, not influenced by environment/heredity or social limitation. Ensures a large amount of genetic diversity. 2. Assortative mating, non-random mating where individuals with certain personalities tend to mate with each other at a higher frequency, large animals with large animals. Problem is if animals too genetically similar mate, inbreeding, can be harmful to species overall. 3. Disassortative mating, non-assortative mating, opposite of assortative mating situation where individuals with different or diverse traits mate with higher frequency than with random mating. Which is best? Scientists think assortative mating, because despite dangers of inbreeding, help to increase inclusive fitness of an organism. Inclusive fitness is the number of offspring an animal has, how they support them, and how offspring support each other. Inclusive fitness is thinking about fitness on a larger scale, evolutionary advantageous for animals to propagate survival of closely related individuals and genes in addition to themselves. Evolutionary game theory. Game theory is talked about in reference to decision-making, but can also use it for evolution and animal behavior. Evolutionary game theory tells us those with best fit to environment will survive and pass on to offspring, and those genes will become more common in successive generations. Reproduction and environment are central to evolutionary game theory. Helps us predict traits and evolutionary stable strategies/behaviors that persist in population once present. Predicts the availability of resources and social behavior. Strategy of each individual depends on strategy exhibited by other players. However, game theory involves intention reasoning about behaviors of others. Evolutionary game theory different because decisions might not be conscious intention on part of players. Altruism 2 groups of monkeys, one selfish and one not. Selfish group doesn't alarm others of predators. Non-selfish group alerts others and leads to overall success of group over time.